origin of the magnetic momentum. The magnetic properties of the solids originate from the motion of the electrons. Motion of the electrons. The means that motion of the electrons causes magnetic fields. Magnetic fields means magnetic properties. Means every material or any magnetic material, the motion of the electrons causes or creates the magnetic fields. That magnetic fields gives the magnetic properties. In olden days or modern days, the magnetic properties of the substances are explained in terms of tiny current loops within the substance. In the substance, tiny current loops are created. How created? Means every material consists of a number of atoms in that particular name. Means suppose silver atom, silver material, silver metal. In the silver metal, silver atoms is there. In the silver atoms, positive charge is there. That is called positively charged nucleus. That is fixed. Surrounded by number of electrons evolving. Means that is electron cloud. Electron cloud. And we know that an atom is consists of positively charged nucleus and also negatively charged cloud. Now this positively charged nucleus and negative charged cloud creates electric loop. This electric loop gives the magnetic field. These moving electrons are equivalent to tiny current loops in the magnetic materials. That is, the current loops acts like a magnetic dipoles. Magnetic dipoles means it acts as a magnetic dipole. Means two opposite charges are separated by a fixed distance. So this acts as a magnetic dipole. These magnetic dipoles causes magnetic field. Field creates magnetic properties. Simply I will repeat, every metal consists of number of atoms. In that atoms, positively charged nucleus and also negatively charged cloud is there. These positively charged nucleus and the cloud acts as a tiny current loop. This current loop acts as a magnetic dipole. The magnetic dipole has such an amount of magnetic momentum. That magnetic moment gives the magnetic properties. This is the reason behind the magnetic nature of the magnetic material. Okay. So the magnetic momentum of the atom is due to three types of. One is orbital magnetic momentum of the electrons and also spin momentum of the electrons. For electrons, both orbital magnetic momentum and also spin magnetic momentum. And the other one is spin magnetic momentum of the nucleus. Why? Because of in atom consists of nucleus and electrons. So for electrons, two types of magnetic momentum. Is one from orbital magnetic momentum and another one is from spin magnetic momentum. And the third one is magnetic momentum of the nucleus. Now we calculate orbital magnetic momentum of the electrons. Consider an electron of charge E and mass m moving with around the nucleus. This is nucleus moving with nucleus with the radius is small r and the angular velocity is omega. The circumference of the orbit is 2 pi r and the area of the orbit is pi r square. And the linear velocity of the electron P is equals to R omega. R omega. In the time period of this electron T is equals to distance by velocity. Here distance we have take 2 pi r because of circumference is 2 pi r now, so 2 pi r will take, and the velocity is linear velocity R omega. Now we get the time period value. Now from current of the orbit in this I is equals to E by T, means Q by T. Current I equals to charge per time. So here we take charge in place of E. So I is equals to E by T. Now substitute T value, means time period value, in this equation. We get the current value. Magnetic momentum is equals to current into area, means pole strength into length is simply. So current into area, so that is called mu El. Magnetic momentum of the electron is equals to current into area. So we are already derived this current value in previous. So E omega by 2 pi into area is pi r square. Then you get this one. And the angular momentum of the electron L equals to mvr. So here you substitute v value, you can get m r square omega. It is the angular momentum value. The ratio between the magnetic momentum to angular momentum is called gyromagnetic ratio or gyromagnetic ratio. So that equals to mu L by L, magnetic momentum of the electrons to angular momentum. Substitute these two values, you get this value. Now cross multiplication, magnetic momentum mu is equals to E by 2m into angular momentum. Again E by 2m into this value is L. Now here substitute L value. L equals to LH into n pi. L equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. So in now E into LH by 4 pi m. We take this constant EL by 4 pi m, that is mu B, that is called Bohr magneton. Bohr magneton. Simply electric magnetic momentum of the electron equals to minus mu B into L. Here mu B means Bohr magneton. The value is 9.7 into 10 to the power of minus 27 ampere per meter square. Next one is spin magnetic momentum of the electrons. That equation is this one, electron spin magnetic momentum, and also spin magnetic momentum of the nucleus. UPS is equals to H by 4 pi m.